Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is very beautiful at the same time, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and decent collection of 250 hand embroidered, handmade, hand sewn, reusable, washable, organic fabric material face masks. Yes friends, all of these masks are highly hygienic, protective, reusable, washable, and they give a very easy and a protective environment to the wearer. In this video collection, you are going to get very amazing, trendy and very beautiful design ideas of face masks, mouth masks, hand embroidery designs. And as you know that COVID is in its full wave and it's a very dangerous and pandemic situation. It has affected the whole human community massively and in a very effective manner. So it is our duty to keep ourselves protected, to take care of our health, and it is only possible through our proper precautionary measures, our proper attention towards our health. So wearing face mask is the only possibility to stay protected from COVID and many small aquatic viral infections like breathing problems, like asthmatic issues, pollen allergy. Even your skin could also remain protected with sun allergy, sun damage, sunburn and stuff like these. And you can also not get seasonal flu and seasonal viral problems. There are many other more benefits of wearing face masks. So it is your duty to take care of your health, and I hope that in my today's video I will put all of my efforts and I would persuade you. I will make sure that you must develop a habit of wearing masks. And all of these mask patterns are very beautiful. All of these hand embroidery designs are very trendy, and at the same time they are very easy to make. Very easy hand embroidery stitches have been selected, have been used to make these very beautiful patterns. Decent and delicacy for these designs is ensured. A very flexible, nature inspired, true life events based, like tree embroidery, flower embroidery, rose embroidery, pollen embroidery, lazy daisy, daffodils, and much more floral patterns related to nature are being used and utilized by making these very beautiful hand embroidered needle art handwork masks. Friends, if you want to keep the track of exact dirt, pollution, oil and the other impurities absorbed in your mask, then I would recommend you to kindly make your embroidery patterns on a light color fabric like white, off-white, beige, cream, violet, gray, indigo, aqua, sea green in a lighter shade, aqua blue in a lighter shade, and different shades of skin to off-white, a light pink, lemon, lime green, and shades like this. And if you are a dark color lover, then I would suggest you to kindly go with the black color, because black is a color onto which each and every hand embroidery pattern looks absolutely amazing and stunning. And then you can get very beautiful and amazing trendy ideas towards 3D hand embroidery patterns, like you can make as it is, like your dresses patterns, to give a very beautiful, creative and funky look. Like this, a mustard color girl like Rapunzel embroidery pattern is made. And if you are an absolute embroidery beginner and you have just learned the art of hand embroidery and you are in search of some very easy, some very creative and very funky design ideas of hand embroidery, then friends, kindly go for these patterns which I am showing right now to you, because all these designs of flower patterns are very easy. Each flower could be made by using only 1 minute's focused effort. And the embroidery patterns most commonly used in these very beautiful and soft light flowers are lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, and the Brazilian or Mexican embroidery basic stitches, that is termed as satin stitch. So I hope that you are liking my video and you are liking my absolute design collections, because this video is a merger, is a combination of very beautiful, pretty and different aspect based design ideas like all over embroidery patterns. You can also design your mask in the form of all over embroidery, and you can also make it some sort of lighter knot embroidery, so to give it a more delicate and decent look. You can also make customized masks by embroidering the patterns of alphabet embroidery. Some alphabets are being shown, and many of alphabets are shown in different patterns in a variety of ways, small letters to the capital letters. All of the designs are being shown to you in different shades, in brighter multicolors, in some light and decent colors. You can also use the art of machine embroidery for making these very beautiful patterns as well, because customized masks are in demand and are in fashion from the beginning of time, when the fashion or the trend of face mask, mouth mask or mask started. So I would recommend you to kindly make customized masks with the initial letters of the names for the person to whom you are going to give this mask, or for whom you are going to make the mask. And even you can make these masks for couples, like embroider the initial capital letters of the bride and the groom, and those masks will look absolutely amazing. Now have a look at the sewn, made, ready to wear masks, that how capital letter embroideries would look like onto masks. Friends, I am requesting you again that please be patient throughout the whole video and don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end, and I recommend that you will be amazed and you will be happy to watch all the amazing, trendy and stylish, very funky ideas, because a lot of very beautiful 250 plus design ideas have been shown to you, and all of these design patterns are very amazing, trendy and latest and new style based patterns. I must recommend you to must try one of these patterns, the ones which are your absolute favorite ones. And with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch till end and take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay safe. Please make a habit of wearing masks, so that not only you but your loved ones, your relatives, your friends and the persons in your social circle could also be safe and could remain protected. And try to ease the hurdle of others. Stay positive, attract only positive vibes, and hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay blessed. Once again, thank you so much for watching my content, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below this video so that we could know what you feel about our content, and what are your opinions and what you want us to share with you, and what you feel about our content. And not only this, kindly make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that we could achieve a very remarkable number of YouTube family, friends and followers. With your love, effort and support, we have reached at this level, and inshallah we will also achieve many more milestones of YouTube friends and family members. Thank you once again and again.